BBNaija's Alex in tears as fans gift her a brand new car. Reality TV star Asogwa Alexandra, popularly known as Alex Unusual, was all in tears as her fans gift her a Toyota Venza to celebrate her 23rd birthday. The reality star, who rose to prominence with the last season of Big Brother Naija, couldn't control her emotions after her fans took to her home to surprise her with a navy blue Toyota Venza worth about 4 million naira. She was surprised by Royal Org Surprises, who took to their Instagram page to share the lovely moment.
Yeah? Oh, are you ready for a picture? No.
Give me you. Everything else can wait. Give me you. I hope I'm not too late.
It's okay, you deserve it.
Lord, give me you. Lord, give me you. Lord, give me you. Lord, give me you. Give me you. Everything else can wait. Lord, give me you. I hope I'm not too late. No.
Congratulations to Alex. For more of this juicy entertainment news, please log on to our website at www.broadwaytv.tv and on Instagram at Broadway TV 2.